Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable optimized charging on Motorola Moto G75. To do it, go to Settings, then go to Battery, Optimized Charging, and now enable it. Then click on Got it. This will charge your phone to about 80% when you plug it in at night. It will charge to 80%, then wait, pause charging, and it will resume charging about 1 hour before you are expected to unplug your phone. So it avoids overcharging your phone and keeps your battery healthy. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.